click on new and give a name to your operating system. Here I give Kali Linux, and here I have choose the version. Here Debian 64-bit. So I choose Debian 64-bit and click on next. Here I have to choose the RAM, so I keep it to the green line. Till green line I scroll it and click on a next button, and keep this as a default. We have to create a virtual hard disk, so click on create, and in VDI VirtualBox image, keep it as default. Now give a space to your operating system, so I here give a space 66 something. I have to give the space 66.25 GB. Now click on OK. Now here come in your settings, here and come in advanced. Here keep them as a bidirectional, so you can copy from both the directions, from your original window to VirtualBox, and keep all this diff on. Now click on system and click on the processor. Now keep it as a 4 CPU. You require minimum 4 CPU. Now come back to the storage. Here you have to click on empty, and you have to choose your ISO file of your Kali Linux operating system. So in F drive I have my ISO file, so choose this ISO file and click on open. So see my ISO file, come here and click on OK. So see, and now you have to start your Kali Linux. So click on start. See your Kali Linux open. So keep okay, can click on cancel. Now you have to choose a graphical install only and press enter. Now your install is started. After installation finished, this screen is open. Click on English, then choose your keyboard. After it, choose your keyboard language, whatever you want. Click on continue. So scanning start and detect more installation media. Now some installation is occur, so wait for some time. Now here is the click on OK. Here's the configure the network. I repeat blank. Give name to your setup username. So I here give my username Chittora and continue. Then press again continue. Now give here the password for your operating system. So I give it password and click on continue. Keep now select it as a Eastern Central. Continue. Then some installation occurs, some partitions in disk. Now keep it as default and continue. Then again press continue. Now again press continue. Finishing. Then press again continue here. Click on yes and then continue. Now some partition disk occur. Okay, now it's done. Now click on keep default and continue. Now click on yes, and click on down option and click on the continue. Okay, so now click on again continue. Now some installation is started. So see, okay, wait for a second, it automatically install and open. So write your username here and the password. Now click on login. So see, your Kali Linux got opened on big screen.